Hey everyone, in today's video, using NanoCAD, I will be walking you through a complete earthing installation plan. Whether you are an electrical engineer, a student, or just curious about how earthing works, this guide will break it all down for you step by step. Let's start by analyzing the earthing installation plan for this project. On the bottom left of the plan layout, we have a detailed list of materials, symbols, designation, quantity, and required installation height. Right below that, we have the installation guide for the earth rod. To the side, you will see the proper connection of the bare copper cable to the building's frame. This is crucial part for ensuring a safe and effective earthing system. Now, let's move on to the actual practical demonstration. Remember, precision and accuracy are key when working on an earthing system. If you are a student watching this, pay close attention to the different earthing methods used in various locations. This knowledge will be valuable in real-world application. For this practical, we will be focusing on this specific section of the building. Here we have the earthing rods installed at key locations, multiple connection points between the building's frame and the earth cable, proper grounding of the copper cable to ensure a safe electrical system. Before we dive into the installation, here is a pro tip. Always include an earthing plan when submitting an electrical layout to your client. This not only makes your work look more professional, but also clear up any doubt your clients may have, especially if you are working with them for the first time. Now let's get started with the installation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any question. Let's go. Here we have a cross junction where two earthing cables intersect. The vertical cable is securely attached to the building's frame with extra allowance to connect building appliances. Moving forward, we attach the earth cable to the building's frame while the horizontal cable links all the earth rod together. This setup significantly enhances the efficiency of the earthing system, ensuring better electrical safety. Hammering the earth rod deep into the ground for a strong and stable connection. Attach the vertical earth cable to the rod, ensuring a proper grounding. To improve conductivity, we follow a layering method by pouring charcoal into the pit, adding a layer of salt on top, repeating the process for a maximum efficiency. This method reduces resistance and enhances the overall effectiveness of the earthing system. Now that we have laid the foundation, it is time to finalize the earthen pit. Here is the process. Filling the pit half full with soil, pouring water into the pit. This helps dissolve the salt below and allow the charcoal to absorb the salty water, keeping the pit moist and efficient for better conductivity. Finally, filling up the pit completely. I hope this video has been helpful in one way or the other, and if you think I missed something or have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.